Okay, tonight on your homework, it is asking you about Iona and Gabrielle's chain that they're making. And so we're going to look at the length of both of their chains. And then it says, what happens if they were to attach them? So in math, if we're going to attach them, we want to add these two together. So we've learned this week that when you have a number, a denominator that is different or unlike denominators, then you need to find a common denominator. So we're going to skip count 2, 4, 6, and then 4, 8, and we figure out that the least common denominator is 4. So we're going to put a 4 and a 4. This is still 7 wholes and this is still 5 wholes. So our whole numbers are not going to change. They're going to stay exactly the same right now. How many times did I skip count? By 2. So 1, 2 times. So I skip counted 2 times. So I need to multiply my numerator by 2. So this would become 2. And then over here, this was already a 4. So I'm going to leave my numerator the same. Then I'm going to add. So I'm going to have 2 plus 3 makes 5 fourths. Okay, just like we talked about in class today. Before we do anything, we have to figure out if we can make a whole. Well, we know that 4 fourths is the same as 1 whole. So if I have 5 fourths, then that means I definitely have 4 fourths. So I can make 1 whole, and then how many would I have left over? Well, if I use 4 out of 5, that means I'm going to have 1/4 left. So I was able to make 1 whole and 1/4. Now I need to take this part of my mixed number and add it back to the whole numbers that I already had. So I have 7 wholes, plus I had 5 wholes, plus now I just made 1 whole and 1/4. So when I put all of these together, I'm going to have 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 more is 13 wholes and 1/4.